Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
3义云火龙节是因为稻草龙身插满香枝，香火如云，因此得名。稻米是客家人传统的主食，稻草则是农村随手可得的材料。昔日客家乡亲于秋收农闲之时，用稻草结绳、稻杆及竹片编制成草笼，自娱于人，其乐融融。当地农民将龙放在重要路口，祈求四季平安，并发展出独特的迎龙、祭龙、游龙、舞龙、送龙、烧龙等风俗。云火龙传承着客家先民克勤克俭的精神，整体活动充满着绕境平安、防疫驱邪之意。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Nancy, we're here to talk about a Hakka festival that's happening towards the end of the month.
Love festivals.
And it has to do with an animal, if you will, that kind of represents like Chinese culture.
The dragon.
The dragon, yes, because we are 龙的传人.
The descendants of the dragon.
没错. But I gotta tell you, the presence of dragons are also found in Western culture, aren't they?
I think my general impression is that in Western culture, they're kind of more portrayed as evil or dangerous,
usually.
Some kind of threat.
In fact, there are a lot of movies where the antagonist is a dragon, such as in The Hobbit and Harry Potter, even sort of in How to Train a Dragon, the animation. I mean, he was a good dragon, but there are also evil dragons out there too. Right?
True.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, also in modern times, in Poland, actually, they have a dragon festival. So a lot of people from different countries will gather and they'll make their own fake dragon.
Oh, is that right?
And they have this great dragon parade.
Oh, cool. Well, that actually sounds very similar to the dragon festival that we're going to talk about here that the Hakka celebrate towards the end of this month. You know what it's called?
You're going to tell me.
It literally means the Cloud Fire Dragon Fest, but it's 云火龙节 or 云火 Dragon Festival.
And in Hakka,
云火龙节.
云火龙节.
That's right. Liang is the dragon. And how do they build the dragon? Well, after the autumn harvest, they gather around their leftover straws and they build this huge grass dragon.
Wow.
And during this festival, they will place it at major intersections so people can go and do their prayers and burn their incenses.
Okay, so it's fostering community and spirituality, and it's made of biodegradable materials.
It is. They're recycling, aren't they? Yeah. Now that we know more about the festival, I think, Leo, we need to teach people some Hakka right here, starting off with 云火龙节.
云火龙节.
云火龙节, made of 稻草 from straw.
火干.
火干. And this is all happening in 苗栗3义. So when you have time, go check it out. 记得一定要去看3义云火龙节哦. That does it for today's talk about Hakka. 俺自say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.